Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you and inspire you on how to get rich beyond your wildest imagination trading forex. In the previous videos I showed you the trading money management to take you from $20 all the way to $52,000 within 30 winning trades. Later on, I showed you the strategy, 95% winning scalping strategy on M5, which will take you easily through the system from 20 to 52. Yesterday, I showed you my live trade, how easy it is to get 20 pips using the strategy that I teach you. All these three videos I will put on the left hand side of the screen later on at the end. So for now, just keep watching to this video. You are not missing anything. And at the end, watch the other videos if you haven't done that so. Okay, let's have a look. What did we trade yesterday? And I want to show you how much more you could do following the strategy, how easy it is just on one currency pair. I'm not even saying that you've got multiple screens and you can observe couple of currency pairs, just one currency pair, and it gave us yesterday 90 pips. So you could do already few steps in the challenge. You could be already few steps closer towards your $52,000. Okay, let's start. That was the entry point yesterday. We did very quick 20 pips. I told you that the goal would be to get all the way to this white line. Why white line? Watch the other videos, you will understand. So this is our resistance for the falling price, and that would be 41 pips if we waited all the way. What are these purple levels? This is the level that we decided that the market might react at, and this is another level that we calculated as well using Fibonacci. I will make a video on Fibonacci as well, so stay tuned, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss all these educational videos. You will get loads of information, trust me. Okay, so we decided to take after 20 pips. The market went all the way 40 and look where it stopped. It stopped exactly at our purple level. That's where the market closed. Later went up. Where did it go? It went all the way to the previous level that we draw as well. Magic? No. Technical analysis that I will teach you on this channel. Later it did fall back to our level. Retrace it. Beautiful channel here. Amazing. But what happened here? What did we get here? Of course, we got another possibility to enter trade should the market decide to go below. So we are waiting. We don't need to, of course, stare at the market for all these candles. We can set the alarms. We can set the alarm, and once the market is getting closer, then we are setting our sell limit at this point. So we would set the sell limit again, which would be triggered with this candle. This is the candle that went below this level, and look at that. This is the candle. Sorry for that. This is the candle, 20 pips over here. So we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, 35 minutes. Do you have 35 minutes? I bet you do. 35 minutes, another step in your trading to $52,000 is done. If not, if you decided not to take this 20 pips, but to wait all the way to the white, another white level, which look how the market responded to perfectly. Just the pin bar, bang, and that's it. We are done. That would give you, from trading from here, 38. So previously 41 and 38. Who is quick with the math? 79 pips. 79 quick pips. If not 39 waiting from the beginning all the way until the end of the day, if we see that the market is trading. But sticking to the strategy, you've got minimum 78 pips yesterday. That gives you few steps ahead in our challenge. Easy? I guess so. I guess so. It's not complicated, guys. You don't need to have a very complicated strategy. You need to keep it simple, so it's not discouraging. So you've got the simple rules. There is a break through the support or resistance. You wait for the pullback, and you wait for the continuation of the breakout. And then you take profit at another support or resistance. Easy as that. I hope you loved this video. I hope it did encourage you to learn the strategy. Rewatch my previous videos as many times as you need. Practice on the historical data. It's weekend, so you've got Saturday, Sunday as of recording this video. I don't know when you are watching it. Practice it in your spare time. Go on historical data, see when it's working, if it wasn't working, why it wasn't working, what happened, figure it out. Find the currency pair. This is the British pound to Japanese yen. It's very dynamic currency pair. That's why I like it. It's moving very quickly, so you don't need to wait ages for your profits. But it can be dynamic against you as well, so bear that in mind. Okay, on the left hand side you will see the previous videos. Click on them, rewatch them, and without any further ado, all the best in your trading, in your education. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.